It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 10th of January. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather with temperatures below average today through the weekend. A gradual warming trend takes place for next week. And about the only sensible weather we'll have are periods of high clouds from time to time. Let's get into it. First, the almanac from yesterday. 64 degrees was the high in the valley, 46 the morning low, the normal 66 and 45. No rain in the bucket officially, although a few spots did see some very light precipitation yesterday afternoon and evening. Outside now, here just after 8 a.m., we've got clear skies out there, 45 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 35, humidity 70%, the winds are calm, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, 34 is the cold spot at both Goldfield and Fort McDowell. A number of locations in the cooler pockets, of course, are in the 30s, but here in the urban core, low and middle 40s. The upper air look, the trough that brought in the cooler weather, is now moving off to the east out into the plain states. In its wake, a dry and cool northwesterly flow sets up here. Meanwhile, very active conditions for the plains and the Great Lakes. Check it out. A number of winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories extend from the central plains through the Great Lakes, the northeast, to the south and east in the warm sector. Flash flood watches. We also have a severe thunderstorm watch this morning in parts of Oklahoma and Kansas. Convective outlook for today, the moderate risk of severe storms. That's level 4 out of 5 for a good section of the Arklatex region. Plano, Garland, Texas, places like Shreveport and Little Rock, Arkansas, as well as Memphis in that moderate risk zone. The enhanced risk includes Dallas, Fort Worth, Houston, Beaumont, Fayetteville, Arkansas. And all types of severe weather will be possible in there. Large hail, damaging wind, and tornadoes. Now tomorrow, this is the day 2 outlook. That shifts eastward into the deep south, Mississippi, Alabama, parts of Florida, and Louisiana as well in that enhanced risk zone. Around here, nothing like that. In fact, the precipitation outlook valid through next Friday morning shows no rain in the valley and practically nothing statewide. A very tranquil weather pattern will take shape. And we'll detail that now as we take a look at the models. Have a look at it. This is the GFS, the 06Z run at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's that trough moving off to the east, a northwesterly flow behind it. So down at the surface, sunny skies today, high temperatures, upper 50s and low 60s. A beautiful day. Tonight, clear and cool, lows in the 30s to low 40s. And then tomorrow, again, carbon copy of today. Sunny skies, highs upper 50s and low 60s. Sunday, we start the day in the 30s, high temperatures around 60 or so. And then Monday, we'll see gradual warming with a zonal flow in here. High temperatures back in the low 60s, low to mid 60s on Tuesday, mid and upper 60s on Wednesday and Thursday, with some increase in clouds as we do see a trough moving into the Great Basin. This is a week from today, Friday the 17th. That trough is getting pretty close. We'll be on the southern end of it. I think here in southern Arizona at this point, it looks dry, but maybe some light rain and snow for northern portions of the state and certainly through the Intermountain West. And temperatures will dip back a little bit if that verifies. And then going out 10 days, this is the end of the forecast period, Sunday the 19th. And now ridging is building in and the heights are coming up. So temperatures would be back to probably close to 70. Speaking of temperatures, checking those out off of the GFS ensemble. And we'll stay below average for the next few days. Then gradually temperatures warm up, and it does look like mid to late January we'll see highs pretty close to normal and pleasantly cool overnight lows. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. And if you enjoy our videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be alerted to that. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. And I thank you so much for watching. As always, be safe out there. You guys have yourselves a great Friday and a wonderful weekend.